G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew. In the shop here again today. We got Griffin with us. He's going to be in the video as well. So this is number 2 of our hot water tank recycling, repurposing. The first one we've already done. It was in the previous video. It's now up in the shop at the lake. And then this one's going to be up at the lake as well. So basically what we're doing with this one, all these projects are going to be fire related. So this one's going to be a fire pit. So we're going to make a fire pit that we can also have a great cook over, as well as sit around at the cabin across the street that we're building this year. Did I say that? Anyway, so yeah, let's get going. Come along. Remember to like and subscribe before you forget about all that. Just do it again now, right here below. Thanks guys.